So our final letter in this family is P, and it's another hanging letter. So let's have a look at how to do it. So the first thing we need to do is slightly different this time. It's a very different letter from other ones we've done. We're going to start on the line. We're going to start almost by doing an I, then we're going to go all the way down, then we're going to back up right to the top and around to create the P, and then add a little tail at the end to join to the next letter. Have a look one more time, a bit larger, and then we'll have a go together. So I'm going to go up to create the I, and then all the way down this time, then right back up to the top and create the P. What we shouldn't see is this. We shouldn't be going down and then having a gap. That's really important that you go back up the same letter. Let's have a go together. Get your finger pencils out and hold them in the air. So we create the I, down for the P, and all the way up and around to finish off the P. One more time. So we're going to do down for the P, all the way up and around and add that tail. Once more, because it is a very different letter. Start on the line, up, down to the line, all the way up to the top, curl around to do the P, and then give it a little tail. Let's have a look at some letters that use P. Let's start with cap, like a cap that you wear. So we're going to do our C, A, and we go straight into the P, look. And it's up to you. You can put a tail on the end. You don't have to if it's the end of a word. It's up to you whether you want to. Let's have a look at an app, like an app on a phone. So I do my A, and then I do my P, straight into my other P. This time I'm not going to do a tail. It's up to you if you want to do a tail on the last letter. You can choose. What about a really long word? We can change app to apple. Let's have a look at it. So I'm going to do my A, I'm going to go up for my P, down to the bottom, up and around, up, down to the bottom, up to the top. I'm going to do my L, and then into my E. Okay, don't take my pencil off the paper once. That's really important when you're doing this. Let's have a look at some of those words which on the line when we don't have a handwriting lines. Let's do the animal, the pig. So I do my P, I, G. And look on my G, I've got the bow that crosses on the line, and I don't dot till the very end. What about a clap, when we give someone a clap? So I do a C, my tall L, my A, and I've got my P. And look at my C, my A, and the circle of my P are all the same height. I've got my clear hanging P down, and I've got my tall L. And you can see there that my P is sitting nicely on the line. We don't want him to stand up all the time, he's going to get tired. So now time for you to have a go.